50 products without descriptions, about 20 hours of work ahead, or, like this, done, in just 5 minutes. AI filled everything in. Now I'll show you how. Let's go.
All right, we've got a clothing store. We'll use AI to generate SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and short descriptions all in one go. Let's do this. We need a plugin, AIWU AI Copilot. Open the AIWU menu. It offers many tools, but right now we need the WooCommerce product generator. Open AIWU AI Copilot. Select the tile AI Bulk Product Field Generator. There it is. Click it. Let's quickly walk through the generation settings. Publishing status, I select draft to review before publishing. Data for prompt, check product name, category, attribute, and description. These are the fields AI will use as the source of initial data. I click Add. A dialog with all products opens. There are several filters to quickly find the right items. I'll just take the first 10 as an example. Here they are. I can add context. For one, I'll write premium, for another, superior, and luxury for the third. I can also include keywords like membrane, water-repellent fabric, etc. This steps is optional. I select what to generate. Drop down name, add, description, add, short description, add. The fields for generation can be further customized if needed. Name 60 chars, prompt make it catchy. Description 1000 chars, prompt focus on features. Short description 160 chars. Done. Click Start Generation. Generation started, 10 products, 3 fields each. Takes about 3 minutes. Speeding up, done. Let's see what we got. I click Preview. Wow, now that's a whole different level. Brand included, model specified, detailed description, perfect. Full, detailed, well-structured text reads perfectly. If something isn't right, you can skip publishing the changes or click Regenerate to run a new generation and get fresh descriptions. Here's the result. All products now have descriptions, titles, and categories. AI nailed it. Link to AIWU is in the description. There's a free version available. Like if it was helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials. See you